Good morning, guys. Well, sit down, please. Thank you. Okay, today we have experiment preparing to CIE examination, and we will work in electrical circuit. I gave you a third paper from CIE examination. Please take papers and see these papers. I gave you 1 minute. Please read. What about this? Experiment, we will investigate behavior of an electrical circuit. Yes? Okay. Please take this circuit and please tell me about this electrical circuit. What kinds of components in this circuit?
Resistor.
Okay, resistor, first one. Second? Capacitor. Okay. Voltmeter. Okay. Switches, okay, then
DC supply.
DC supply, okay, and the component holder, yes, okay. Firstly, we will talk about voltmeter and the ammeter, how to work and how to measure ampere or current and the voltage in this circuit, okay. We have two types of voltmeter and ammeter. Yeah. First one, digital and analog. Yes. Two types of readings. Yeah. Digital and analog. Okay. We will talk about digital multimeters. How to work with this equipment. How to work. Okay, first one, it's a analog multimeter and a digital multimeter. Yes, we can measure voltage, current, and the resistance of resistor. Yes, how to measure of these three physical quantities. First one. Analog multimeter. Please take your analog multimeters. For electrical circuit, how to connect for measuring current ammeter. First one under 4. It's a ammeter. Okay. Then how to use these scales. What does it mean, these scales? You can see 5 parts of these scales, yes? First one, V equal V. Second V, yes? Then ohm, then A equal and A alternating. 5 scales. How to use? First one, if you want to measure direct current DC supply, yes, you connect your circuit for these dots. Then use scale A equal. So it means direct current. Okay? In this scale, you can see 4 numbers. Did you see?
Yes.
Okay. First, 3M. Milli means yes, 30 milli, 300 milli, and 3. What does it mean, these 4 values? What does it mean for these four values?
We should multiple values that we get from experiment to shown value.
Okay, you think so? Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, thank you. How to check what quantity we should multiply? Yeah? Firstly, we use simple circuit using ammeter, voltmeter, resistor and the DC supply. I will draw this simple circuit in the board, please. Or you can use this circuit. In series, in the circuit, yes, it's ammeter, then voltmeter connected in parallel to the resistor. Please connect this simple circuit. DC supply, ammeter connected in series, then resistor. Okay, when we use analog ammeter, we use these four values: 3 milli, 30, 300 and 3. When you measuring current, you can take value of current, yeah, and multiply for 3 and divide 10,000. Current multiplied to 3 and divided by 10,000. If you use 3 milli scale, yeah? Second, if you use 30 milli, value of current multiplied by 3 and divided by 1,000. And when you use 300 milli, you will multiply value of current 3 and divided by 100. And the last value is 3. Value of current multiplied by 3 and divided by 10. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next, we will check these values using Ohm's law. We should calculate resistance of resistor. Yeah? Equation of resistance V over I. Okay. Please check using your electrical circuits. Measure voltage and the current and calculate please resistance. I will give you 5 minutes for this work. Yeah? Okay. This work we will check resistance in simple circuit. To check resistance, we will use equation Ohm's law. V divided by I. Students should measure current and measure voltage using the analog and the digital multimeters. Then students write in this table, for example, current 3.7, value of current. Next, voltage 5.06 volt. We should calculate resistance of resistor. Okay, next work, student use scale 300 milli. So this value we should multiply by 3.7 multiply 3 and divided 100. So value of current 0.11. Next, put this equation 5.06 divided by 0.11 equal 46.2. So our resistance of resistor 46.2 ohm. Okay guys, next it's a digital voltmeter. How to use digital voltmeter? We can see 4 scales of direct current voltage. Yes, 2, 20, 200 and 1000. How to measure voltage using these scales? First one, 2. Use for few number of voltage, and you can take value in this equipment. This value gives in 3 decimal places. You can take value. Next, 20. 20 measures in 2 decimal places, and you can take value in the voltmeter. No need to multiply for these values. Next, 200. 200 gives in 1 decimal places, and then you can take value. No need to multiply, divide it for these values. Next, 1000 using for high voltages. For example, 200 volt, 300 volts. Yeah. For example, value equal to 200 volt. You can take value. No decimal places. Yeah. Did you understand? Do you have questions? Okay, please write.